Welcome to a Fish in Sea Devlog number 18. Today we worked on more back-end systems. For those who have been watching recently, we've been doing a lot of back-end systems, and today it was no different. We worked on a ton of quest log things, just overall. There's really no better way to say it. Today we went through and categorized how quests are stored in the game. It's kind of the best way I can describe it. If you guys look right here, I have a new list of lists called quest type info. This allows you to go into the island and then the house and then the villager and then the specific quest that you're working on, and this will tell you what type of quest it is. Now these are indexed 0 through 6, so there are 7 different types in total, and it's described right here to me so I understand what each one is. If it's 0, it means it is a fish donate quest. If it's 1, you need to score a high score in one of the mini games. If it's 2, then you need to equip a certain cosmetic after you buy it from the shop. 3 is just completing a certain number of tasks. 4 is rolling a certain number of bait rarity, so literally just, an RNG one. 5 is getting a certain streak for your tasks, and then 6 is gaining a certain amount of gold, i.e. selling enough fish to the merchant. So overall, all of these tasks can now be implemented in so that we know what we're actually working towards. The hard part that I was thinking about yesterday is how do I know what a task is without manually keying in what every single one is? How do I know what a 5 means, whether this is I need to donate 5 fish or I need to score a high score of 5? The only way I can do that is if I have another list that specifies what type of quest everything is. So today I went through and I made all of that. I tried to balance it out as much as I could. I commented in the first one just so that when you guys are watching, you can understand what's really going on here. But basically, as an example, this is the first island, the first house, the first person in that house, and they have 3 different quests you need to do. One of them being donate fish, one of them being a high score, and then one of them being completing a certain number of tasks. This value over here will be what tracks that, and this value will be what your starting number is. So overall, that is basically what's going on with this new indexing system. I could show you guys literally every single one of the code, but it was very tedious. It was a ton of work. It doesn't look like that much done because there's nothing tangible, there's no gameplay of this. But what we're going to be implementing tomorrow will then be the gameplay edition of this. If we scroll all the way down here to quest check, this is the big function that I need to think about tonight on how I want to implement it. But this is going to be our big switch statement case that will allow us to do different actions depending on what quest is being completed. Tonight I need to brainstorm where I want this to be called, what the optimal way to do it is, and how I want to go about managing this whole system, because there's a lot of different ways I could do it, and I don't want to do it suboptimally because I know if I do, then I'm going to want to rework the whole system, and I really don't want to rework another system. So we're going to try and do it first try here, brainstorm before I start coding. We're going to get some good sleep and see what I can come up with overnight. But for now, that is the entirety of devlog number 18. If you guys did enjoy this one, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.